So, hi guys, it's the VFX here again, and I'm back with another episode of Traders Talk. I've been off lately for past 3 weeks or a month. I've been like busy with school stuff and all, but like right now I'm back, and like my Traders Talk is. I said I've explained it where I share my trades, my strategy, and everything, things I do before I take a trade and all. So this is another episode, and I want to share with you a trade I took. And this is like a journal. I journaled it in my notes. So I took a trade on February 8th, GPSD is one trade. I took a trade. I There's what I said. There's something I said. I said the weekly time frame from the double top, and it retraced to my supply zone, and I didn't wait for a bearish candle to form on the 4 hour. I just took the trade. So I took the trade without information of, like, without any bearish. You can see it here. I was just waiting for the retracement, and it's retraced there. I just took the trade without any, which is bad. I have to add. I would have waited for a candle closure, and I'll show you the updates on this trade. I lost this trade that I took. This trade that I didn't wait for a candle closure. I lost it. So I'll show you the updates. But I took this trade on February 8th. Then I took another good trade, another swing, good trade again. And you can see I said gold broke the bearish flag. You can see it. It broke the bearish flag and then formed a bearish engulfing pattern. You can see the bearish engulfing, like formation of this double top here, and this is the bearish engulfing. So I entered immediately after the closure of the bearish engulfing, because why? You can see it closed below my zone, my major zone. It closed below my zone, so I entered immediately the closure of the engulfing. I lost this first trade. You can see I lost this trade, but I entered again for a sell because I knew gold was going to go for a sell. Then I took an entry. So let me show you the update on the trade on my chart. Let's just send it to my chart. So I have like two charts on gold. This is like something I use this for back testing, and this is, so they are both the same. I use any, I can back test with anyone. This is my chart. This is the bearish flag. The chart I analyzed, as you can see. Mind you, I told you I trade gold, GPSD, USD, USD. Those are the pairs I trade. Aside that, I don't trade any other pairs. I don't trade any other pairs. And you can see the bearish flag here. So this is good. From the monthly time frame, you can see gold came back to this supply, to this zone, or to this resistance here. You can see gold. Let me just give you all this. This is not simpler. Gold, you can see gold came back here to this monthly zone, to this zone that it will reject. You see the rejection, to reject and come back. Then check the weekly time frame. Go down. That's why practice top down analysis. Weekly time frame, you can see it is a resistance, it is a zone. You can see it is a zone. And you see that gold created this engulfing on a weekly time frame. You know, engulfing are strong bearish or bullish patterns once they form. So it created this engulfing, and you can see it engulfed one, two, just these two candles. It was like it was, yeah, it engulfed three candles. This one, two, three candles. That's like strong bearish presence. It engulfed three candles and closed at this my zone here. This my zone. You can see it. It's closed at this my zone here. So after seeing that, what was I waiting for? Just for gold to, like, okay, create. I've seen this already. This is a confidence for me to go short already. That is my buyers and short. This is my overall target for gold. Here, after here, I know this is my overall target for gold. That if gold is going to fall again, like after breaking here, if gold is going to fall further, this is my overall target for gold. So I was just waiting for a confirmation for me to go short on this trade because I knew number one, it had given me my bearish engulfing that I love seeing before I take a trade. I love engulfing pattern because I like one of the like best candlestick pattern you can ever trust. And rejected this zone, rejected um the monthly and weekly zone. The monthly zone is also a weekly zone. You can see it here. Look left. How do I know? You look left. Price action from the back, and you see you rejected it, created this strong bearish presence. So I was just looking for a retracement in the lower time frame for me to take this trade and the confirmation. After that, you can see you can breaking it down. After that, you can see on the daily time frame, gold formed here, gold from here, double top. First I see second I broke it, broke this my zone again. I did not take any trade from here, but I took a trade on this my other chart here. Then gold came here. It came here. You can see the one, two, three blue candles that gold was trying to go, but yet it was rejecting this place. So what was I waiting for? Just a bearish presence on the daily time frame, and I will take this trade down here, my target. Then from here, take it here, my next level target for gold. I was just waiting for those bearish I was just waiting for the bearish presence. Sorry, and after the two rejections I saw, so gold formed this bearish engulfing again on this my zone. So what am I expecting now? It's not just to take the trade. This is like trade confluence again. That's why you have to break your charts down just to see the confluence well. So I took this I saw this trade and I was like, okay, I am going to take this trade. I went down straight to the 4 hour time frame. You can see the flag. Unity Gold broke this flag on the 4 hour time frame. I'm like very conservative. I don't rush to take a trade. So I was just waiting for gold to break this flag, this channel. You can see the higher, it was going high, it was going. Then it broke it here. You can see where it closed. So I was just waiting for gold to just give me a very nice entry, and it gave me a nice entry here. Give me a nice entry here. Give me a nice entry here, and I took the trade all the way down here for a reach to a range of 1 to 3. You can see 1 to 3.31. You can see very nice 92 pips, 92 pips stop loss, 306 pips take profit. Very easy like that, just like that. Just have to wait. You don't have to rush before you take a trade. That's that simple. As long as you just know what you are looking for, you know your strategy, you know what. And my strategy is I trade from like zones to zone, just like a supply and you talk from the supply and demand zone. That's how I trade. So when I know there's selling pressure, when I know there's okay, this is where a selling pressure is going to start, I'll be looking for shorts. When I know this is where you have a buying pressure, I'm going to look for buys to go long. So you can see that on gold. That's just what my trade on gold. Then for GPSD, then let me show you I lost the trade. Let me have credit. You can see I lost the trade two times. Two times. That one I did not wait for a closure of the candle. This was it. I lost the trade. I did not wait for a closure of the candle. I lost the trade. Here it went back up, came back again, gave me this. I lost this trade. Also, you can see it was going down, then it reversed. Okay, I did not lose this trade. It hits me on break even, like it stops me out on break even. So, but I wanted it to hit my target. So I was just, but I was still waiting. I knew um GPS was going to come down. But how did I know? Let's go back again to my monthly time frame. You can see from my monthly time frame, see where GPS is. It is, it came here on a monthly, it came here to where you have the selling pressure. It came here, you can see it. And now you can see that it is formed, it has engulfed on the monthly time frame, it has engulfed this low. Let's go to down to the weekly. What is the weekly showing? A double top on the weekly time frame, a double top, and where did it close? Below my zone. So what was I waiting for? Just a very very good confirmation for an entry. You can see it, and I went down to the lower time frame. Even if I lost two weeks, once you have risk management, you are good. You are good to go, and you know your strategy is good. You are good to go once you have risk management. You see, I waited, drew my trend line again. You can see the trend line. I drew it. I drew my trend line. It broke my trend line. Then you can see the break in retracement. It retraced to this my zone up. It retraced to this zone up. Then after I lost this two trade, I saw that okay, price wanted to go up a little bit, and it retraced. I just waited. Immediately it retraced and it was coming. It retraced down. I saw that it rejected and closed down. And the day before that day, so I was just waiting, and I saw this engulfing here. So I took the trade after this. Seeing this, I took the trade. I got in the trade early before entering. I entered another position here. That was why. So I got in trade early, entered another position here for a very very nice risk to reward, and took my target here. You can see my target 172 pips, and I was just risking 50 something pips. 1 to 3 weeks reward again. Like that's how once you just understand risk management, understand how your strategy works, what you need to see before you take a trade, you are good to go. Those were just the trades I took. Those were the trades I took today, and you can see for let me just show you like this my other charts are more simple. See now, and you can see here. There I took a trade. Here I am having another opportunity to take another trade for a short to this to my 1.18496. Another opportunity. How did I know? You can see gold created the double top on this 4 hour. One, two, broke it here, retested, gave a bullish and a bearish engulfing pattern again. And that is bearish engulfing is for shorts to confirm my short position. And you can see now I can't take the trade now because the spread is going to be very very high. So I can't take the trade. This is just the opening of the market. Like for a new session, I can't take the trade. So I have to wait a little bit, and I'll take this trade for a sale all the way down here. And that's if I'm going to lose it, but I know I'm on a risk management. And you don't have to be scared of losing. That's how this trading is. Don't be scared. Just understand your risk management. Understand what you need to see, what you want to see before you want to take a trade. That is it. If there's no opportunity, you simply don't trade. You simply just don't trade. You can see this. You can see the trade is already going. I for maybe London session, they might be retracement back to this zone, and I'll take this trade down here. That is what I'm just waiting for. That is it. Those are the two trades I took. You can see I had two losses, but with two management, I was able to balance everything here. I had two losses on GBP, one loss on gold, but I won the last trade. Those are the things that are important. With risk management, you can balance everything, and I also get more confidence to balance all my confidence from the DXY. You can see it. Once I know DXY is going up, I know this one is going down. Once I know this one is going down, I know this one is going. It has to go up. And now DXY for my analysis is going to go up. You can see the retracement here down, give a graphic pattern here again, and I know okay, I'm going to go for a long. And if you know I'm going for a short, that's another confession to go for a short or GBP and gold. Those are my like two favorite pairs I like trading a lot. That is all.